So what we just did before the breakfast, we did npm I to install all the packages we need. And once you do that, that means like you're just gonna install all the packages you need for your this project. And right now you can do npm start to start the project, and the project just downloaded from GitHub. All right, so you only have to do it once. That's the time when you clone the project from the GitHub. You need to do npm I to install all the packages. Well, if you just do the second time, it won't harm anything. It's gonna check if you miss any packages, it's gonna install it for you. So you can just always check it to see if any packages for example, you did a git pull or did a git clone, and they want to do a npm install to install all the missing packages you missed. All right, and once you're done the npm install, your application should be able to run, and it just takes some time. Computer is slow. You're starting the Oops, I just closed it. Sorry. I just closed it. It is actually, let me reopen it. npm start. If it says fails compile, it means like you have some errors. Just reading what they tell you in the errors.
React.js, no undefined.
It's gonna tell you which file it is and what's wrong with it. Right. All right. So I can help you afterwards. So just let's continue with lecture. So I just did a npm start and the cell compiled successfully without any error. And so I think I forgot to save my changes yesterday, so I'm missing what we did yesterday. So let's just redo it. Also help you to remember it. All right. So yesterday we were trying to copy all the old files into our new files, right? So what we do is like we created a folder called components, and inside it we have like a page folder, user folder, website folder, and widget folder. And in each smaller folder, we have those JavaScript files like login.js, profile.js, regist.js. And each JavaScript file is just a component of this project. And we're going to copy our old files into those components. For example, login component. We're going to do RCC to generate a login component template here and copy the code from the old files, like old files, logins, HTML. I'm going to copy the code in the body section, right, this part. Copy that into the login, right, just put it here. And again, some arrows because the input, you need to add in a / after it for the username and for password. Right now it should be fine, just no any error anymore. This is what it's gonna be. Right, it's a login.js. And let's keep going. For the regist.js, you also have the code, you can just copy it. I do not have it, so I'm gonna just go ahead and create it right now. So RCC generates the regist.js. Oops, why it takes some time. So I do not have it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and create it here. Maybe not right now because I have to set up the routing first so I can see how the page looks like. Let's leave it for a minute. I'm gonna copy the profile just to the profile component. I'll leave the register for a minute. Come back later. For the profile, RCC, and the profile HTML, and copy the navbar, the container, and the navbar here. Let's copy that. Paste that into the profile. All right. And getting some arrows here, just for the input again. And // and last name for all the input. Right, and I'd like to fix the indent a little bit. Just gonna select this part and move that in a little bit. Yeah, same thing for the span and a tag. Here we go. Fix the indent. That's for the profile. And let's keep going for the website part. Website list. Gonna copy the navbar, the main section, and navbar. I'm trying to do a little bit faster, so because I already know those things. RCC. Put it in the div. Fix the indent. Okay, so 1 second.